In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage custom objects in HubSpot. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to maximize their use of HubSpot CRM features and tailor their system to meet their unique business needs. Let's dive in and get started on this journey of customization. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the main menu on the left side of your screen and look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will open up a wide array of options. From the settings menu, navigate to objects and then select custom objects. This is where the magic begins, as here you can create tailored structures that suit your specific business requirements. Now, look for a button labeled Create Custom Object. Clicking on this will prompt you to define your new custom object. Start by giving it a clear and descriptive name that reflects its role or function within your organization. Along with the name, you'll also need to define various properties. Consider the type of data you want this object to handle and list them accordingly, like text fields, dates, or numbers. Associations are also important. Determine how this custom object will relate to other standard or custom objects within your CRM. This might include contacts, companies, or deals. Once your custom object is set up, it's time to move on to setting permissions. Permissions are crucial as they control who can view, edit, or delete data within this object. You'll find options to tailor access based on your team's roles, ensuring that sensitive data is protected and only accessible to authorized personnel. Additionally, customize the views for your team to ensure they see the most relevant information right away. Layouts and visibility can be adjusted as per the specific needs of different roles within your company. With that in place, the next step is to integrate these custom objects into your daily HubSpot workflows and reports. This step will help ensure that the data these objects capture is fully utilized across your CRM processes. Incorporating custom objects into your workflows allows you to automate and streamline tasks across your team. They can also enhance your reporting by enabling more nuanced data analysis tailored to your organization's unique needs. Finally, ensure that everything is functioning as it should by thoroughly testing the custom object. Check that the integrations with existing workflows, reports, and CRM records are operating smoothly. By simulating a variety of scenarios, you can confidently ensure that the custom object ties in seamlessly with your existing processes, supporting your business operations without any hitches. By following these steps, you will have successfully created and integrated a custom object in HubSpot, tuning your CRM to better fit your organizational needs. This tailored approach can significantly enhance your data management and business efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering HubSpot and other CRM tools.